children, this is 4th class maths. Today I am going to start new block, that is block 17, like fractions, adding and subtracting. Previous class we learned about fractions. Okay, there are different types of fractions. These are types of fractions here: like fractions, unlike fractions, proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fractions, unit fractions. Today we are going to learn like fraction and unlike fractions. Like fractions means like fractions are two different fractions with the same denominator. What? Like fractions are two different fractions with the same denominator. For example, A1 5 by 6, 9 by 6. Here denominator are same, numerator are different. Okay? See, denominator are same, numerator are different. Such type of fractions are called what? Like fractions. Here 6 by 12, 3 by 12. This is the like fractions. Next, unlike fraction. Unlike fractions are two different fractions with the different denominators. What, children? Unlike fractions are two different fractions with the different denominators. For example, 9 by 12, 7 by 14. Here, see children, here denominator are different, numerators are different. Such type of fractions are called unlike fractions. For example, Sonia has a cake that she divides into 6 equal sized pieces. She wants to eat the whole cake in 3 days. Okay, this is the equal sized pieces of cake. Okay. Day 1. What fraction of the cake she eats, children? Day 1. She eats 1 part of cake. That is 1 by 6. That is 1/6. Okay. Day 2. She eat 2 by 6. That is 2 part. So 2 by 6. 6. Now day 3, she eat 3 parts. So that is 3 by 6, 3, 6. See, like this she ate 3 days, full 1 cake. That is 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6 plus 3 by 6 is 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3 is 6 by 6. That means full 6 by 6 means 1 whole. Here 1 whole pizza she ate, cake. Here 6. Okay, she just I gave example, children. She can take different part also. Here 2 by 6 or 1 by 6 or 4 by 6. Okay, just I gave example. She ate 1 cake, full 1 cake. She ate 3 different ways. Okay. Here all like fractions. I added numerator to make it 1 whole. So 6 by 6 is called 1 whole. Open your workbook. Now we'll do workbook sums. Before taking workbook, take it to a classwork. Draw margin. Write heading. Block name. Write date. Write the definition of fraction and types of fractions. I already explained on board, children. Like and unlike fractions. Now take out your workbook, volume 3, page number 5, date 7/12/2020. S1, fractions that add to one whole. First question, write the fraction for the shaded portion as a sum of two fractions. Here two circles are given. So how many parts they divided in equal parts? 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 parts are shaded. So 2 by 8. 2 by 8. How will write in fraction? 2 eighths. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 8. 6 by 8. So how will write 6 eighths? Six eighths. Now you add 2 plus 6 is 8. So 8 by 8. 8 by 8 is 1 whole. So here 8 eighths. Second question, write 2 different ways to add the fraction in the circle to get one whole. A bit 4/4. They gave here example, children. 2 circles and each circle they divided 4 equal parts and one part is shaded. So 1 by 4 plus this is 3 parts are shaded. So 3 by 4 is equal to 1 plus 3 is 4 divided by 4. So is equal to what is the answer? 4/4. Now we'll do another way, children. This I draw here 3 circles. So in first circle I'll divide 4 equal parts. Now we'll do, how we'll do, children, here 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 they take on. Now we'll take 2 by 4 plus 2 by 4. Okay, is equal to what will get answer? 2 plus 2 is 4 by 4. So 4/4. Okay, we'll shade 2 parts. So 2 by 4 plus 2 by 4 is equal to 4 by 4. So 4/4. So 1 whole. 2 plus 2 is 1 whole. So they did not give answer, children, 4/4, but I showed here answer 4 by 4, that is 4/4. Now B bit 6/6. Draw 3 boxes. So here in first box and 3 box, draw equally, divide 6 boxes. Each box you divide 6 boxes equally, and we'll take 3 by 6. This also 3 by 6. 3 plus 3 is 6 by 6. So 6 sixths. Okay. Now 3 by 6. 3 box you have shared. Here also 3. So 3 plus 3 is 1 whole. That is 6 by 6. Answer is 6 by 6 is 1 whole. Now 6 sixths, another way I'll do, children. Here 2 by 6 plus 3 by 6 plus 1 by 6. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 by 6, that is 6 sixths. Okay. Now shade here 2 by 6. This is 3 by 6. This is 1 by 6. So total 6 by 6. This is 6 by 6 is 1 whole. Okay, children. Now see bit, you do it as homework. Now third question, Nisha has finished 1/4 of the school year. How many months of school does she have left? What fraction of the year is that? She finished 1/4 of the school year. So first I'll show the figure, children. In 1 year, how many months will be there? 12 months. So 12 months you have to divide in 4 equal part. So 4 equal part. So it will come 3 months, 3 months, and this is 3 months, 3 months, 3 months. 12 months I divided 4 equal part. That is 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. So 1/4 of the school year, school she finished. One-fourth. 1 by 1 part I shaded in 4 box. So 1/4. So that means how many months she finished? 3 months she finished the school year. Okay. Now how many months are she left? 9 months. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So 9 months. She left the school. What fraction of the year is that? So 3 by, she left 3 by 4 of the part of the, or you can write 3 by 4 of the year she left the school. Okay. I hope you understood. Complete your work neatly. Children, for figure you have to use scale. Okay. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.